A messy studio kills creativity. But what if your entire setup worked together automatically? No wasted time searching for cables, no breaking flow, no setup struggles. Here's how I made my home studio fully synced so everything is ready the moment I sit down. The first key is making your screens work for you, not against you. I have my computer screens mirrored to different workflows, so whether I'm recording, editing, or writing, everything is exactly where I need it. I use my iPhone as an extended screen with mirroring. No more reaching for my phone, it's all on screen, and I stay locked in. One simple upgrade that makes everything seamless, my Cotec adapter. It expands my USB-C capabilities so I can connect everything without messy hubs and dongles. Even my TV is controlled through my phone, so I don't need to keep a separate remote on my desk. My Arturia Mini Lab is always hooked up and ready to go. No more shifting things around, no unplugging. When an idea hits, I don't waste time, I just create. This is a home studio, so I have to think smarter, not bigger. Every element in this setup is designed to maximize space and optimize style and comfort. A small space doesn't have to feel cramped if you set it up right.